Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bhagyashree, studying BE second year at Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Now I am here with a new topic, SQL data definition and data types. Now let's start in this session. Introduction to SQL data definition and data types in DBMS. SQL Structured Query Language is a standard programming language used to manage and manipulate data in relational database management systems. Data definition in SQL involves creating, modifying, and deleting database objects such as table, indexes, and views. Data types in SQL define the type of data that can be stored in a column of a table and help ensure data integrity and consistency. Important data definition in SQL. Data definition in SQL allows users to define the structural and constants of the database, ensuring data consistency and integrity. By defining data types, lengths, and constraints, SQL helps prevent data entry errors and ensures that data is stored in a consistent format. Proper data definition in SQL also helps optimize database performance by reducing data redundancy and improving query efficiency. Common data types in SQL. Variable char used to store variable length character strings with maximum length specified. Integer used to store whole numbers without decimal points. Date used to store dates in format year, month, date. Numeric data types in SQL. Integer used to store integers with a range of -2, 147, 483, 648 to 2001, 2, 147, 483, 147, 647. Decimal used to store fixed point numbers with a specified precision and scale. Float used to store approximate numeric values with floating decimal points. Character data types in SQL. Char used to store fixed length character strings with a specified length. Variable char used to store variable length character string with the maximum length. Text used to store large blocks of text data. Date and time data types in SQL. Date used to store dates in format year, month, and date. Time used to store times in the format hour, minute, and seconds. Timestamp used to store date and time values in format year, month, date, and hours, minutes, and seconds. Binary data types in SQL. Binary used to store fixed length binary data. Variable binary used to store variable length binary data. Blob used to store large blocks of binary data. Special data types in SQL. Boolean used to store true or false values. JSON used to store JSON JavaScript object notation data. XML used to store XML extensible markup language data. Data definition in SQL. Data definition language statements in SQL are used to define, modify, and delete database objects such as tables, indexes, and views. Common data definition language statements include create, alter, and drop. Data definition language statements in SQL are essential for defining the structure and constant of the database. Creating tables in SQL. The create table statement in SQL is used to create a new table in the database. The syntax of the create table statement includes the table name, column name, data types, and constants. Example, create a table of employees of employee ID is integer, employee name is variable care of 50, employee salary is decimal of 10 to 2. Modifying tables in SQL. The alter table statement in SQL is used to modify an existing table by adding, modifying, or dropping columns. The syntax of the alter table statement includes the table name and the desired modification. Example, alter table employees, add column employee department variable care of 50. Dropping tables in SQL. The drop table statement in SQL is used to delete an existing table from the database. Dropping a table will also delete all data and indexes associated with that table. Example, drop table employees. Constant in SQL. Constants in SQL are rules defined on column to enforcing data integrity and consistency. Common constants constants include not null, in unique, primary key, foreign key, and check constants. Constants help ensure that data entered into a table meets certain criteria and maintains data integrity. Primary key constants. The primary key constants in SQL is used to uniquely identify each record in a table. The primary key column cannot contain null values and must have unique values for each record. Example, create a table employees, employee ID integer primary key, employee name variable care of 50. Foreign key constants. The foreign key constants in SQL is used to establish a relationship between two tables based on a key column. The foreign key column in a one table references the primary key column in another table. Example, create a table orders of order ID is integer, employee ID is integer, foreign key of employee ID references employees of employee ID. Summary of SQL data definition and data types. SQL data definition involves creating, modifying, and deleting database objects such as tables and indexes. Data types in SQL define the types of data that can be stored in a column of a table. Constants in SQL enforce data integrity and consistency by defining rules on columns. Conclusion. SQL data definition and data types play a crucial role in designing and maintaining a relational database. Proper data definition and constants help ensure data integrity, consistency, and performance. Understanding SQL data definition is essential for database administrators and developers to create efficient and reliable database management system. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.